Hi everyone, this is Megan, and I just wanted to come today with a haul video. I got 2 orders in, one from Staples. I just got us a Brother P-Touch labeler. We haven't gotten the batteries yet for it, but I thought I'd show it. We got it for $9.99 on Black Friday, just through their website, along with 2 16 gigabyte memory cards. So that's that. Then over the weekend I had put an order in at itscheaperthantherapy.com, and she sells scrapbooking supplies and Sizzix stuff, and she had all the new Vintaj dies for the Sizzix, and they're copper blanks, and I have been wanting to buy these forever, but they get pricey once you add them all to your cart, and you can't have just one, you want them all. So I got Fluttering Wings, and it's this one, and Moonlit Night. I love the little owl. And Wildflower Vines. Dragonfly Pond. Woodland Birds. Forest Foliage. Forgotten Times. This is one of my favorites. I love that little bird cage and the watch and the keys. And Deco Motif. And lastly, Botanical Flourish. And right now that's all that they have as far as Sizzix dies specifically made, you know, in combination with Vintaj. But you can use all of your embossing folders. I didn't buy any of the copper blanks. I think their brand is a little pricey. They may be better, but I'm not going to pay $2 for a blank. So I plan on cutting my own. We have a disc cutter. So if anybody hasn't seen these, there's a lot of videos on YouTube put out by Sizzix and Vintaj, but basically, like, this is the Deco Emboss, and she had them for sale price of $5.99. So Oh My Crafts has them for cheaper, but they don't have the other ones for cheaper, and it ended up being cheaper at this place. So basically you put your copper blank or your silver blank in the little folder and run it through your die cutting machine, and this one embosses your blank in the little folder. Then these right here is the Deco Etch, and they actually cut into your blank. There's little, like, blades below this felt, and it cuts down into your blank and leaves an impression. So those are just like the little sizzlets. But anyway, that's them. Check out the other videos. I'll put a link down in the down bar if anybody wants to see how these work. And basically what you do is after you etch them or emboss them, you run a buffing pad over the top, and it leaves the etched part or embossed part dark and brings out the shine in the rest of the pieces. So anyway, that is my haul. definitely check out. She has great prices at It's Cheaper Than Therapy.com. And she also, before I forget, sent me these for free, which was nice. And My Mind's, or no, Die Cuts with a View, Pocket Full of Posies. It's just a bunch of die cut flowers. So, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.